Every assignment you get in school starts the same way. Blank file, clear spec, build it from zero. That's useful for learning syntax and logic, but it trains a skill that barely shows up on a job. Real companies don't hand you a blank file. They hand you a code base that's been built by dozens of people over years, full of decisions you didn't make and don't fully understand. Your job isn't to create from nothing, your job is to walk into the mess, figure out what already exists, and extend it without breaking it. That's a completely different skill, and it's one you only build by being inside a real code base, which is exactly what an internship forces you to do. Picture a task that sounds simple, add a filtering option to an existing feature. In school, that's a 5-minute function. In a real company, the first real move isn't writing code. It's searching the codebase for something that already does almost what you need, because in production software, someone has almost always solved a version of your problem. You find an endpoint that's close to what you need, except it takes one extra parameter you don't need. Now the actual work starts, reading through that endpoint line by line, understanding why it was built that way, and figuring out how you can strip down this single component in order for your feature to work. Only after that you touch the client side and wire up the call to make sure it works end to end. Writing new code ends up being a small fraction of the task. Reading, understanding, and adapting existing code base is almost the entire job. Once you go through a task like this, you stop seeing or thinking of software engineering as writing programs and start seeing it for what it really is, managing and extending a living system that other people built. Every company's codebase is basically a shared brain, and being a good engineer means being able to read that brain fast, understand its logic, and make changes without breaking what already works. This is also why senior engineers are very valuable, not because they type faster, but because they read so much code that they recognize patterns almost instantly and know where to look. That skill compounds. The earlier you start building it, the faster you become useful on any team, at any company. If you're still in school, the highest leverage you can do right now is apply to internships. This will allow you to get a taste of real software engineering and how codebases are messy, long, and tough to read. Like this, you'll be ahead of 95% of your classmates. And the skill here is knowing how to read a codebase. This is more important than writing actual code. I am curious to know, have you done any internships so far? Or what did your first job taught you about software engineering? Comment below and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.